What is up, YouTube? Ruben here, and today I am riding 5945, a 2014 New Flyer XN40. I am on the 854, and I'll be getting off at Memorial Park. The reason why is because I'll be going to Central Library. We are on Villa Street right now. And this is again a free shuttle. 854 is a free shuttle. We're about to cross El Molino Avenue right now.
Oh really? Sometimes the one that is downloaded is like like I was watching last Saturday.
We're on Villa Street right now.
So when they speak Japanese, I know you understand.
Oh no, it's a man's voice narrating everything.
Yeah.
You know, which
So it's like
defeats the purpose.
What's that one has that narrative pairing or something?
Yeah.
Or like blind people.
Yes. Narrating here has
No, but sometimes it's recorded differently.
But no. Definitely. And I'll say,
Okay, we are now turning left on Los Robles Avenue.
I went and I looked. You guys have it in your cabinet. Sometimes I don't need them.
What happens is he puts in the movie, and then whatever he's locked into auto travels, but maybe to be the best like quality video. Sometimes it's like
Okay, we are now turning right on Maple Street.
Everything is on it. It does the whole thing of it's like the drums, which is the thing for the studio, you know? You have the drums, and I was like, what is this?
I didn't use that in the bike. It's faster. You're going like park.
Remember the stuff we read about it's better sometimes.
It's on the scene.
Italian, oh my god, we tried to watch it, didn't really do that voiceover.
Now turning left on Marengo Avenue. We're going to be on Marengo Avenue, and we're going to turn right on Holly Street. Now turning right on Holy Street, and that's it. That is a ride on the 854, and this is 5945, a 2014 New Flyer XN40, and that's it. Thank you guys for watching. Be sure you hit the subscribe button and also hit the bell icon when I upload new videos, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now.